What if I told you that the money you use every day is about to change forever? That a new form of money is being created by the most powerful institutions in the world? That this money could make your life easier or harder depending on how it is used? This is not science fiction. This is reality. This is CBDC. CBDC stands for Central Bank Digital Currency, and it is the future of money. But what are CBDCs and how do they work? What are the advantages and disadvantages of CBDCs? How can CBDCs change our lives? Let's find out together in this video. What are CBDCs? CBDC stands for Central Bank Digital Currency, a term that defines the digital versions of fiat currencies, such as euro or dollar, issued by a central bank. CBDCs are not cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, because they are not decentralized or based on blockchain technology. CBDCs are also not e-money, such as PayPal or Revolut, because they're not backed by commercial bank deposits. CBDCs are a new form of money that combines the features of cash and digital payments. There are two main types of CBDCs: wholesale and retail. Wholesale CBDCs are used for interbank transactions and settlements, while retail CBDCs are used for everyday payments by individuals and businesses. In this video, we will focus on retail CBDCs, which are more relevant for the general public. How do CBDCs work? CBDCs work by using a digital ledger that records all transactions and balances of the users. The digital ledger is controlled and verified by the central bank, which acts as the sole issuer and regulator of the CBDC. The users can access the CBDC through a digital wallet, which can be an app on their smartphone or a card with a chip. The users can transfer CBDCs to each other by scanning a QR code or tapping their devices without the need for intermediaries or fees. CBDCs can be designed in different ways depending on the choices of the central bank. For example, CBDCs can be interest-bearing or not, anonymous or traceable, token-based or account-based, offline or online. These choices have implications for the economic and social effects of CBDCs. What are the advantages and disadvantages of CBDCs? CBDCs have several potential advantages and disadvantages for the economy and society. Some of the main ones are: advantages, financial inclusion. CBDCs can provide access to digital payments to people who do not have a bank account or who live in remote areas. This can improve their economic opportunities and well-being. Efficiency and innovation. CBDCs can reduce the costs and frictions of payment systems and foster competition and innovation in the financial sector. This can benefit the consumers and businesses with lower fees and better services. Stability and security. CBDCs can enhance the stability and security of the monetary system by reducing the risks of bank runs, cyberattacks, or fraud. This can increase trust and confidence in money. Monetary policy. CBDCs can improve the transmission and effectiveness of monetary policy by allowing the central bank to adjust the interest rate or the supply of CBDCs according to the economic conditions. This can help to achieve the goals of price stability and economic growth. Disadvantages: privacy and surveillance. CBDCs can pose a threat to privacy and civil liberties if they're not designed with adequate safeguards. The central bank or other authorities could monitor and control the transactions and activities of the users, violating their rights and freedoms. Disintermediation and competition. CBDCs can reduce the role and profitability of commercial banks and other financial intermediaries if they offer a more attractive alternative for deposits and payments. This could undermine the provision of credit and financial services to the economy and create unfair competition in the market. Cybersecurity and operational risks. CBDCs can expose the monetary system to new cybersecurity and operational risks if they are not protected by robust and resilient technologies and protocols. The central bank or the users could suffer from cyber attacks, system failures, or human errors that compromise the integrity and availability of CBDCs. Financial stability and monetary sovereignty. CBDCs can affect the financial stability and monetary sovereignty of a country or an economic area if they are subject to cross-border flows or foreign influences. The users could switch from their domestic currency to a foreign CBDC, creating currency substitution or dollarization. The foreign central banks could interfere with the domestic monetary policy or financial regulation, creating conflicts or spillovers. How can CBDCs change our lives? CBDCs can change our lives in many ways, depending on how they're designed and implemented. Some of the possible scenarios are a cashless society. CBDCs could replace cash as the main form of money for everyday payments, creating a cashless society. This could have benefits for convenience, efficiency, and transparency, but also costs for privacy, inclusion, and resilience. A programmable money. CBDCs could be programmed with smart contracts or artificial intelligence, creating a programmable money. This could enable new functionalities and services, such as conditional payments, automatic execution, or personalized incentives, but also challenges for governance, ethics, and legality. A global money. CBDCs could be used across borders or regions, creating a global money. This could facilitate international trade, remittances, and cooperation, but also generate tensions, imbalances, and dependencies. Conclusion. In this video, we have seen what CBDCs are, how they work, and what are the advantages and disadvantages. We have also seen how CBDCs can change our lives in different ways. CBDCs are a fascinating and complex topic that is still evolving and developing. Many central banks around the world are exploring or experimenting with CBDCs, such as China, Sweden, or Bahamas. The future of money is digital, but also uncertain. I hope this video was useful and interesting for you. If you liked it, leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to my channel to not miss the next videos. Thank you for your attention and see you next time.